Thinking is the hardest work there is, which is probably reason so few engage it. My best friend is the one who brings out the best in me. If everyone is moving forward together, then success takes care of itself. The highest use of capital is not to make more money, but to make money do more for the betterment of life. Money is like an arm or leg. Use it, or lose it. You can't learn in school what the world is going to do next year. Most people spend more time and energy going around problems than in trying to solve them. A business that makes nothing but money is poor business. Failure is simply the opportunity to begin again, this time more intelligently. When everything seems to be going against you, remember that the airplane takes off against the wind, not with it. Vision without execution is just hallucination. The only real mistake is the one from which we learn nothing.